A heated text exchange unveiled by prosecutors today. The messages show tensions between Reed and John O'Keefe over the status of their romantic relationship. It comes as jurors are preparing to visit the Canton house where O'Keefe's body was found. This is set to happen tomorrow. WBZ's Christina Rex is tracking the case tonight.
That call is rejected.
11 rejected phone calls as Karen Reed tried to connect with John O'Keefe on the final day of his life, January 28, 2022. Instead, a state trooper on the stand showed the jury that the couple argued over text message most of the day, like these, for example.
Tell me if you're interested in someone else. Can't think of any other reason you've been like this. From John O'Keefe to the defendant, nope. Things haven't been great between us for a while. Ever consider that? From the defendant to John O'Keefe, so you're not into this anymore. From John O'Keefe to the defendant, not into fighting all the time, correct?
Several witnesses took the stand Thursday. A paramedic, a friend of O'Keefe's, and 2 bar managers. The jury was left at the end of the day with a 7-minute montage of Karen Reed's own words.
Probably about 4.
And 4 drinks you felt fine to drive?
Yep.
Varying accounts of how much she drank that night.
The weakest vodka tonic, it tasted just like all soda water with lime. So that would have been the night.
As told to several media outlets over the course of 2 years.
I had drank, and that led me to question, like, could I have hit him? Did I run over his foot or hit him in the knee? But I shouldn't have been driving.
Right after these clips played on her exit from court, Karen Reed answered no questions from reporters.
Do you still stand by doing all the interviews?
WBZ legal analyst Catherine Loftus reflects on Karen Reed's decision to speak so freely about her case, including a documentary series of her first trial.
Ultimately, I think they really truly believed, her defense team, that they were never going to be held against her because she was going to be acquitted after trial 1. That's the problem, ultimately. It's so rare to see a criminal defendant speak to the media. And although, most cases are not of this magnitude, we're seeing live and in action why you don't speak as a criminal defendant.
Tomorrow will be a half day for the jury. There'll be a little bit of testimony, but also the jury gets to travel to 34 Fairview Road, the home outside of which John O'Keefe's body was found. They'll also get to see Karen Reed's car in person. In Dedham, Christina Rex, WBZ News.